everybody, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with another fun cocktail, and it's time to get the Buffalo Trace out. Today we're gonna be making When Pigs Fly. Please stay with me and let me show you how we're gonna do this bad boy. All right, so according with production, what do we get when you mix a buffalo and a pig? Well, pigs fly. This is a case of Buffalo Trace. We're going to be making actually this using this amazing bourbon, which is one of my favorite ones. And this cocktail is going to come over with a little bit of extra work on your side, you guys. We're going to be making what is the burnt spiced honey. All the instructions is going to be in the link below. So you want to end up with something like this. And also, you're going to try to get the Amaro Nonino or Amaro Montenegro. That's the two Amaros that you can be using for this cocktail. Unfortunately, I could not find it. And well, I'm going to substitute these Amaros with something really nice, with Amaro Averna. All right, so that being said, I really hope I'm going to get something closer. I know the Averna is a little bit more sweeter than floral, and Nonino is a little bit more floral, but hey, I'm pretty sure that something is going to good. Something good is going to come out of this. So let's start building our cocktail. We're going to grab our shaker, and we're going to go for 3/4 of an ounce of Buffalo Trace. Followed by 1/2 of an ounce of Amaro Averna, 1/2 of an ounce or Aperol, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Remember, always fresh. And your burnt spice honey, we're going to use 1/2 of an ounce. By the way, have I ever mentioned that if you like your cocktails and you like what you see, you like what you drink, don't forget to give us the like and subscribe right under there. This is the proper time for it. Just click. Let's put some ice. And let's give it a good shake. By the way, I would like to say hi to all my friends, co-workers, managers, assistant managers, supervisors, floor securities, everybody that actually works at the Coronado Marriott. This piggy actually was given to me on Dia de Muertos in, if I remember well, what was it, 2019. And it was a special gift. So I really, really appreciate it. Ricardo, muchísimas gracias. I love this little guy. My parents, they used to have a pig farm, so that's why I'm so attached to piggies, and this one, it was inspiration for this cocktail today. Right, Piggy? All right. Enough with the sentimentalism here. Our cocktail is nice and ready. Let's get a really nice sphere. One of these days, I'm gonna be able to come up with a nice, solid, clear one. Maybe when I have a new refrigerator. Let's do a double strain. That looks amazing. For your garnish, let's make it a really nice twist. If you happen to use the sphere, make sure that it doesn't go under it. And grab a nice bouquet of rosemary. Let's give it a little nice torch. And there you have it, you guys. when pigs fly. Time to say cheers.